This is a step-by-step video tutorial on how to crochet these fall-inspired raffia earrings. For this project, you will need a 4.5mm crochet hook, gold ear wires, and then raffia yarn. I'm using Wool and the Gang Raffia. I'm gonna link the exact colors that I use in my blog post, which will be linked in the description. I'm going to start with the tan and make a magic circle. Cross the yarn, hold it tight with your thumb, and then pull a loop through. And then chain up 3. Now you're going to make 4 triple crochet into the magic circle with the tan. So you yarn over 2 times, and then yarn over and pull through the first 2, pull through the second 2, and then pull through the final 2 loops on the hook. Okay, 3 more times. Okay. Okay, so now that I've made my 4 triple crochet with the tan, I'm going to move on to the red kind of rust color. So instead of wrapping the tan around the hook twice, you'll wrap the pink around the hook twice. And then just hold that tail down. Insert and pull a loop through. So now you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, the second 2, and the final 2. And then just pull all the tails in a little bit, pull it nice and snug, and now you should be good to go for the rest. So now 3 more. I just keep tucking all the tails behind each stitch. Sometimes, I don't know if it's this hook or the yarn, but as you can see, sometimes it just slips right through all the loops on the hook. But it's pretty easy to fix. Okay, so now we'll do the same thing to transition into blue, but I'm going to cut some of these tails first. So you don't want to cut this tan tail, because that's what's going to pull your magic circle closed. So I'm just going to cut the long tan and then the pink. Now for the blue, same thing. You're going to wrap the yarn around 2 times, and then just fold the tail back, and you can kind of hold all the tails together. Pull loop through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, then the second 2, and then the final 2. Just kind of pull the tails tight, and then pull the blue nice and snug up against the other colors, and then do that 3 more times. Okay, so now that's 4 blue. Then I'm just going to cut some of my tails here. The blue and the pink can go. And now you want to take the tan and pull the magic circle closed. And then insert the hook into that first chain that you made at the top of the chain. Pull loop through, and then slip stitch by pulling that loop through again. And then I just make another slip stitch and pull it nice and tight. So to connect that, and then you can take the tan and just pull it a little snug. Don't pull it too tight because the raffia does snap. So you just want to give it a gentle tug until the circle is completely closed. And then you can cut the blue and we pull out that loop, and you can just weave the blue through just a few times. Then you can cut all the tails nice and tight. So this tan one, blue, and then cut these other ones a little closer. So now you have a nice flat circle, this color block circle. I think it looks really nice. And then you'll take your ear wire. Now if you have jewelry pliers, you could use jewelry pliers. Otherwise, I just use scissors, tiny scissors. Hold it just to pry it open a little bit so you get that opening. And then I'm going to choose this as the top of my earring. And I just weave that wire through. This hand is better. Just weave it through the top stitch. Sometimes you just have to work it to find that. There we go. And then I take my scissors, or again, your jewelry pliers, and just pinch it closed. Okay, there we go, closed up. And then that's all I do to it. I don't put any backing on it or anything because it's pretty sturdy as raffia. And then just repeat the same thing to make 2. Once you're done with both, you'll end up with a really lovely pair of earrings. I just think this palette's perfect for fall, but really you could use any colors that you want and make them for, you know, more of like Christmas themed or holiday, winter. Then you can do spring and summer colors. It's really the endless possibilities with this one, and they're so easy to make and really quick. Just a quick project would make a great quick gift to make for somebody, or to make a bunch and then sell at a craft fair. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and head to crochetbycolleen.com for more details, the written pattern, and all my materials. Thanks for watching.